1. Definition of human eye. The human eye is a natural optical instrument and a sense organ that enables us to see objects around us. It detects light and converts it into electrical signals, which are sent to the brain for interpretation. Definition. The human eye is a light-sensitive organ that helps us see by forming images of objects on the retina and sending visual information to the brain. 2. Structure of human eye. The main parts of the human eye are 1. Cornea. Transparent, curved front part of the eye. Protects the eye from dust and germs. Refracts, bends, most of the incoming light. 2. Aqueous humor. Transparent fluid between the cornea and lens. Nourishes the cornea and lens. Maintains eye pressure. 3. Iris. Colored part of the eye. Controls the size of the pupil. Regulates the amount of light entering the eye. 4. Pupil. Small opening at the center of the iris. Allows light to enter the eye. Enlarges in dim light and contracts in bright light. 5. Eye lens. Transparent and flexible convex lens. Focuses light rays on the retina. Changes its curvature for near and distant vision. 6. Ciliary muscles. Attached to the eye lens. Change the shape and focal length of the lens. Help in accommodation. 7. Vitreous humor. Jelly-like transparent substance behind the lens. Maintains the shape of the eyeball. 8. A retina. Light-sensitive layer at the back of the eye. Contains rods and cones. Forms the real and inverted image of the object. 9. Yellow spot, fovea. Most sensitive part of the retina. Produces the sharpest and clearest vision. 10. Blind spot. Point where the optic nerve leaves the eye. No photoreceptor cells are present. No image is formed here. 11. Optic nerve. Connects the eye to the brain. Carries visual impulses to the brain. 3. Working of human eye. Step-by-step working. Light from an object enters the eye through the cornea. The cornea bends the light rays. Light passes through the pupil. The iris controls how much light enters. The eye lens further refracts the light. Ciliary muscles adjust the lens shape according to object.